What up guys, MartyBlendz back with another cinematic tutorial. Stick around as I show you how I drop fade. Now first things first, moisten up the top to part evenly. Coming in with your trimmers, you want to create a baseline in the shape of a circle, eventually dropping it to the lowest possible towards the back. This step is extremely important as it is to create lots of darkness towards the occipital bone. Slowly make sure you get rid of everything underneath. Okay, now shave off all the stubble. With your lever open, follow that baseline and give yourself a ½ inch guideline. Close up the lever and hit that line you just made halfway. Open it up slowly as you go up on this step. Using the 1½ open, I make a full inch guideline this time. Above, I run a number 2 and start flicking out. Now the number 3 is just used to soften up any hair that is left behind. Now that you've got that down, slap on your half guard halfway open and make a ½ inch guideline. Using that number 1 guard open, go over that last line you made and it should start looking blurry. As you can see, I always come back in detail no matter how good it already looks. Clients will appreciate and it'll set you apart from other barbers. Finally, with your lever open, no guard, hit that last noticeable line you see. Now when I line up, hairspray to keep hair down is a must. Concentrate and be sure both C-cups are identical. Guys, know that I will be explaining how to shear work in the future. It is a whole other topic that is extremely important, but I will go over that in another video. To style perms and curly hair, I like using diffusers to evenly disperse heat into the hair. YouTube, I hope you all enjoyed today's video on a drop fade. If you have any questions, please comment down below, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't. As always, I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.